Assam, we have again working with Asian Development Bank to develop 3 clusters around Guwahati. Basically for data center, for AI lab. So one is with that I told you about Ratan Tata Electronics City. There are 2 other cities, not a kind of city, but a facility we are developing in and around Guwahati, so that we can bring new age industry, including data center and other things. So that planning is going on. Government of India, we are working very closely. So I'd like to invite, I think my Chief Secretary will be in touch with you. Sure. And when you are speaking in Andhra, you are speaking about Telangana. Of course, Telangana, because of Hyderabad, they have huge advantage. Our work is at par with those states, because we are not coming out aggressively, but our investment, the way we are working, it is not any way, because I keep on interacting with my counterparts. It is almost the motion is at par. So today I have not taken up the Google data center or other thing because of the huge incentive it is involved. Because I don't want to put my basket in one industry where employment is limited. Because my primary concern is that I want to put my resources where there is employment.